Don't mess with Bill. Don't mess with Bill. Don't mess with Bill. Say it one more time. Don't mess with Bill. Well, I know he's the guy who put tears in my eyes 1,000 times or more. Oh, but every time he would apologize, I loved him more than before. He would say, hey, girls, keep away. Don't mess with Bill. Don't mess with Bill. Leave my Billy alone. Don't mess with Bill. The guy of yours. Don't mess with Bill. Now there's Johnny, there's Joe, and there's Frank and Jim, just to name a few. Now Bill's got me and I've got him. I'm sure there's one for you. Hear what I say, hey, girls, keep away. Don't mess with Bill. No, don't mess with Bill. He's mine, all mine. Don't mess with Bill. I say it one more time. Don't mess with Bill.
Greetings from North Carolina, Bill. We want to wish you luck on your next endeavor, and we're appreciative of your friendship over the years.
So please come visit us when you're here in Charlotte.
Hey Bill, happy retirement. It's been 11 years since I joined Wells Fargo and first met you. We've had a lot of fun times together. We've had a lot of sad times together, but yet we still remain friends, and I'm happy to call you a friend. Please keep in touch, and I can't wait to hear the stories of the golf course and the travels that you and your lovely wife are going to have together. Best of luck, and stay in touch.